Looking for a solution to organize all those cans cluttering your pantry, kitchen, or storage room? The Nunet 6-tier stackable steel can rack might be exactly what you need. Nunet sent me this to check out, but all opinions are my own. With its stackable design, this rack can hold up to 72 cans. You can stack them up, saving precious space in your home, whether it's in your pantry or anywhere else you need a little food storage space. Or you can have 3 separate 24-can holders that could fit in tight spaces like cabinets or under beds. This rack is perfect for storing all kinds of cans, jars, or even drinks. The rack comes with dividers and detachable holders for each tier, allowing you to neatly organize your cans. 3 tiers have fixed, regular can-sized dividers, and the other 3 have adjustable ones. So whether you want to store larger jars or smaller cans, it's super easy to customize your storage. The tilt design is great. With its 30-degree angle, cans roll forward as you take them off, making it quick and easy to grab the next one. It's pretty easy to put together, no need for complicated tools, just make sure to follow the directions and use the right screws, or you'll do it twice. This has been awesome for my storage. I hope you like it too.